to celebrate my second year of successful proton therapy at University of Pennsylvania. In terms of proton therapy, I looked at several other options. My wife and I concluded, in talking to support groups, that proton seemed to be the way to go for us because of the quality of life associated with that.
I think all men that are diagnosed with prostate cancer should do a lot of research, do a lot of homework, find a support group to attend to where you can talk to other patients who have had all the different treatments for prostate cancer before you make any final decisions.
There are very, very few side effects, almost if any, that I know of from proton therapy.
The current side effects are not anything of any great consequence, and as a matter of fact, having gone through 31 treatments of the 44 so far, I'm not having any kind of side effects right now. If I could fit my golf clubs in my car, I would probably go out and play.
The doctors, the staff, everybody is just so confident. You feel at ease right away. There's absolutely no pain effect associated with it, so I can only think of pluses.
Well, I was with them at the doctor's appointments, and after listening to everything and weighing all the issues, I thought the proton was the best way.
You know, when somebody tells you you have cancer, I mean, it just, you know, it really upsets you. And they couldn't have made it any easier, and everything was painless. It was just an overall great experience.
I would highly recommend proton therapy. I believe it's the best treatment available for prostate cancer. It's important to me to come out and talk to other people that are receiving treatment and interact with them, talk to the staff, and express my thanks to them, and I'm just happy to be here.
The results have been tremendously successful. I am leaving on a fly fishing trip tomorrow. I feel great. So the whole experience has just been wonderful, and I would highly recommend it to any patient thinking about proton therapy at Penn.
I feel just honored to be, to even have been invited and to be a part of this wonderful event.
They really do it well. That is, relate with patients, treat you as a human being, and that's true for every single individual I've come in contact with, from the technicians to the orderlies that even take care of the linens. I really can't think of any side effects that I suffer at this point. There really haven't been any.
As soon as I walked in the door, I felt like a family here. They just unbelievably made you feel welcomed, from checking into the main desk to when you go back to your therapy. The ladies back there were just unbelievable. I've already told them that they are my guardian angels, and I appreciate everything they've done for me. And whenever I come up here for a doctor's visit, I do always stop down and see them because I really appreciate what they did for me. Main thing is to do your homework to make sure that this is what you want. But if I could recommend it, I would recommend it to anybody that could have this treatment done. Your quality of life is good, and there's really no side effects.
I've been associated with hospitals, and this is the one that I come to. And I'm very glad that I chose proton therapy, and I'm very glad that it was here. Ask me, and I'll tell you about proton therapy, and I'll tell you about Penn.